In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to partially close a trade in TradingView. This process is incredibly useful for traders who want to scale out of their positions to lock in some profits while leaving a portion of the trade open to continue benefiting from the market's movements. Let's break down the steps so you can execute this with ease. First, make sure you have your TradingView chart open with an active trade. It's important to be on the right platform view to see your positions clearly. At the bottom of your chart, you'll notice a section often labeled as Positions or Trade. This is where all your active trades are conveniently displayed. Your task is to navigate here to identify and focus on the trade you'd like to partially close. Once you have located the window with your active positions, your next step is to select the specific trade that you're targeting. Pay close attention as selecting the correct trade is crucial. Otherwise, you might end up altering a different position than intended. Now it's time to initiate the partial close procedure. You have two methods to choose from, offering a bit of flexibility depending on your preference. The first method involves looking for an icon directly on the line where your position is displayed. This icon is typically designed for partial closures. It might resemble two arrows or look like a reduce button. These visual cues are your gateway to initiating the partial closure from the positions panel. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable navigating through context menus, you can use the second method. Simply right-click on the chosen open position and a menu will appear. In this menu, search for an option that suggests a partial close, such as partial close position, or something similar. Selecting this will allow you to proceed with your intention to close part of your trade. Upon initiating the partial close using either method, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll be asked to enter the quantity for closure. Here, you'll input the number of units, whether that's contracts or lot sizes, which you wish to close. Be precise in this step and ensure that the numbers reflect your trading strategy and risk management plan. Finally, once you've entered the desired amount, it's vital to confirm this transaction. By confirming your entry, the specified portion of your trade will be closed, thus reducing your overall exposure. However, the remaining part of the position stays open, giving you the leeway to manage it as per market conditions. By following these steps, you not only protect your investment but also maintain a strategic hold on your trading activities. Mastering this skill ensures that you're prepared to effectively manage your trades in the dynamic environment of TradingView.